so thanks a lot, Chinwe, for sending in. I believe this is your middle name, right? For this Igbo name of the day. All right, so Chinwe, her middle name is Uchechukwu. Come on, say that with me. Uchechukwu. Good. All right, so you ready to translate their name together? Okay, cool. So Uche means mind, right? So it means mind. Another deeper meaning for it in this context is kind of like mindset or thoughts or current thinking, the current thinking of that person, the current way that they are assessing a situation, or their current, almost not really like an opinion, but their thoughts regarding something, right? And Chukwu means God. So you put those two together and you get Uchechukwu. Uchechukwu basically means God's thinking regarding my life, or